Rubato and Bel Canto both shape music with elegance and feeling, but while Rubato focuses on bending time and phrasing to serve expression, Bel Canto combines these elements with refined vocal technique. Let's decode the difference. Rubato comes from the Italian word for stolen time. It's when you stretch a phrase, then catch up, like a natural heartbeat, breath, and speech. You're still in tempo overall, but you shape the rhythm with freedom. Rubato is mainly about when the notes are played. Bel Canto isn't just a technique, it's a style. Smooth legato, elegant tone, emotional phrasing, especially in timing, which is intimately connected to rubato. Though rooted in opera, we pianists borrow its spirit by shaping lines that breathe and sing as if performed by a great vocalist. Maria Callas, one of the greatest bel canto interpreters, also called it a straitjacket, a demanding and expressive art form that required intense discipline and mastery. She insisted it went far beyond beautiful singing. To her, bel canto demanded a flexible, light touch regardless of voice type, along with total control of embellishments, trills, scales, cadenzas, and more. Callas credited her teacher, de Hidalgo, for teaching her the real bel canto, one that balances precision with expressiveness and aims to move the listener deeply through every phrase. That's our goal too, at the piano. Not to imitate, but to translate that vocal truth into sound that breathes and speaks straight to the heart. Rubato shapes phrases and tones primarily through timing. Bel canto, on the other hand, shapes tone and phrasing through vocal beauty, freedom, and adherence to the right tradition. One is mostly rhythmic flexibility, the other is expressive sound, shaping the phrase. They can work together, but they're not interchangeable. In bel canto and singing piano playing, rubato is almost always used, but it's just one color on the palette. What makes bel canto special is the total package. It's about tone, line, control, and expressive beauty. Rubato lets your music breathe and adjusts the tempo like a natural heartbeat. Bel canto makes music sing in the most beautiful way. Use them both with intention, and your music will open hearts. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos about music, piano, interpretation, emotion, and everything that makes music great and human. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon and have an awesome day.